Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I got in another order from Fat Quarter Shop. So let's jump in and we'll see what we got. Okay guys, I was absolutely 100% wrong last time, but oh heck. It feels like a Fat Quarter bundle, but I'm not even going to wager a guess. I did get an email earlier, a couple days back, from Fat Quarter Shop saying something was gone wonky with their shipment of dragon fruit. So I'm guessing this is probably Lori Holt's Fat Quarter bundle, but I've been wrong before. It is! So I have quite a stash of Lori Holt fabrics already. So I do like to get these in and I just keep them in my bins. And I'm about to be sewing the Snowman Quilt Along with Fat Quarter Shop. Starts this month. And I'm going to be using all of my Lori Holt stash. So I have a lot of her stuff, like I said already, but these are going to be some fun ones that we can add to our section. So this is the December 2024 grouping. They kind of have been coming out just a little bit late right now. Sorry, I'm not trying to cover that up, but we do get these cards that are going to have our SKU number. So if you're looking to get more of any one of these, you can absolutely do it. So let's get us some pictures of our fabric. And guys, I always think they're so pretty before I mess them up. I'm not sure whose job it is to make them pretty over at Fat Quarter Shop, but they do a lovely job. So this is the Lori Holt monthly club from Fat Quarter Shop. So it just means that we get 12 of her different prints. Sometimes it's from her most recent line. Sometimes it's just that they've put together a bundle of some of the different fabrics. So this is a really nice array of fabrics. I've been seeing more in the reds from her lately. I don't know if it was maybe the Christmas bundle, but I feel like we've been getting a little bit more red. So we'll jump right in. So first we have this really fun blue leaf teal pattern. Definitely one of my favorite combinations of colors. And I just love a good gingham. It's just, it kind of universal, can go into anything. And this one, since it doesn't have the white, I feel like it makes a great block in the middle of your quilts as well. Now, these are the ones we're going to be using a lot of on the snowman. So I'm happy to have some extras to kind of do some extra neutral prints, extra creams and off-whites and backgrounds. And that's got a really nice little gold hue to it. I do have quite a collection of browns, guys, and I need to probably just come up with a brown quilt to do that has different hues, really natural, maybe like a woodland, kind of modern. I don't know. I've got to find something to use up some of my browns. That's nice as well. And I don't know that I've seen that one before. It says, no, I don't have the selvage with the print on it. Be in My Bonnet, of course, Riley Blake's. One of like almost little stars or leaf patterns. So lots of golds and browns in this one. And I bet this is Hometown Holiday. If I just had to wager a guess, again, I have not bought this entire bundle, but I think this is probably Hometown Holiday because it has the gingerbread looking peeps on the side selvage. And I think this one did. Yeah, this one did too. So a nice little salmon color with some crisscross. And this kind of pulls our oranges with our reds. I love it when a pattern or fabric can pull two colors together that I might not pair anyways. But I do like this combination. And I really like this. It's got some pink undertones and it's almost like a cranberry red. It's a little bit of a pinky red tone for sure, but some really great geometric shapes. And I really love this print. I feel like we got this in the Hometown Holiday bundle. No, just kidding. That last bundle was a couple different fabrics. I guess I was thinking of this one, which isn't quite it. This was the November batch from Lori Holt. So I think these are going to work out really nicely because we're going to be doing the quilted snowman and I'm going to be using all of my extra Lori Holts. In fact, this red will be perfect for here or maybe the handle. I don't know. We're definitely going to use up a lot of these extra fabrics I have floating around. Okay, guys, that's it for the December box of the Lori Holt Fat Quarter Club from Fat Quarter Shop. Again, you get 12 fat quarters. The price is right at $35 plus shipping, which is really close to my $3 per fat quarter kind of guideline that I like to stay around. I do like getting whatever the newest collection is, so that's kind of fun to get your hands on something and get to see it and really see how the colors play out. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. If you do like it or any of my other tutorials, it helps me out a ton if you would hit that like and subscribe button. And until then, I will see you guys next time.